What can you expect from CRU's Monitor Service? Tailored to individual commodity markets, our Monitor Service enables you to stay informed of the latest global market developments. All held within our online delivery platform, CRUonline.com, the service will give you the knowledge you need to make informed business decisions. It provides you with regular short-term analysis, regional price assessments, as well as supply and demand data. Our reputation for robustness and transparency, and the fact that we follow the internationally recognized IOSCO Principles on high-quality price assessment mean that you can rely on CRU's prices. These up-to-date and historical downloads are accessible in a variety of easy-to-use online formats. Behind each CRU Monitor Service is our global team of analysts, who bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise from a diverse range of backgrounds. CRU employs over 290 experts located in our 11 global offices. You can engage with our experts directly for first-hand knowledge and a personalized response. When facing critical business decisions, you can rely on your partnership with CRU to give you a complete view of a commodity market. We look forward to welcoming you to CRU.